On the 31st of October, in the Culture House of All Russia Exhibition Center in Moscow, there has passed an open lecture of Garchen Rinpoche, who is known as a famous master of school Drigun Kagyu. The big hall has been completely filled by the Moscow Buddhists who have come to listen to the doctrine about two truths and bodhicitta. Garchen Rinpoche has made the wide review of doctrines about importance of correct understanding of cause and effect, about loving kindness and the nature of own condition as conditions of Buddha. The Master has shared with his personal experience in practice. He said that an essence of all Buddha's doctrines are bodhisattva practice and burning loving kindness. Garchen Rinpoche is an excellent example of loving kindness. He radiates the greatest participation and careful aspiration of his pupils in learning the Buddhist methods, offering them a full spectrum of these doctrines, from Sutra's teaching to Dzogchen condition. Besides, life experience of Garchen Rinpoche causes the big respect, as we know that the Master has had during the Chinese Cultural Revolution in Tibet 20 years in prisons, through which he has passed, keeping the doctrine for modern Buddhists. In the future program of Garchen Rinpoche, we will have a retreat in Kunpin Ling, where he will grant dedication and teaching about Mahamudra.